Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD, PhD. And today's Monday, March 21st, 2022. It's 6:29 and 29 seconds, a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today's research, new path to breast cancer. So let's hop to it here. New path to treat, advanced triple-negative breast cancer. Date February 2nd, 2022. Source, Yale University. A new study shows inhibition of CECR2 gene prevents triple-negative breast cancer from advancing or metastasizing. And these study results are very encouraging, as there are very few effective treatments for triple-negative breast cancer once it has metastasized. The researchers are constantly searching for new effective therapeutic strategies to help patients with this potentially deadly disease. And in this study, researchers profiled 13 pairs of primary and metastatic breast tumor samples from patients with breast cancer. They identified a therapeutic target, a gene called CECR2, that increased expression in the tumors that has spread to distant organs. The research team discovered that CECR2 allowed the breast cancer cells to migrate and invade to adjacent tissues and evade surveillance by the host immune system. As a result, CECR2 targeting resulted in the activation of T cells and prevented the tumor from spreading. Researchers also discovered that small molecule inhibitors of CECR2 can suppress the ability of TNBC cells to spread in cell cultures and animal models, providing a new avenue of therapeutic strategy to treat advanced disease. According to researchers, the findings can translate to increased response to current immunotherapies, which had modest efficacy on breast cancer as monotherapies. Researchers will continue to study these important findings. They are working on characterizing the mechanisms by which CECR2 modulates gene expression and tumor microenvironment using multiple edge technologies. In addition, researchers hope to develop small molecule inhibitors of CECR2 for clinical studies. Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD, PhD, on microbiology, bioinformatics, and pathophysiology. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.